Hi, I'm Skipton Reynolds with Skipton Law, your estate planning and elder law firm. One of the things that we see in our office all the time are people coming in with documents that they pulled from some online resource or other cheap or free resource. And just because those documents say Colorado on them or say power of attorney or last will doesn't mean that they are the correct document. Plus, you have to be mindful that you signed it correctly, you had the correct number of witnesses, you had it notarized properly, and you need to understand what you're signing. And if you don't, and you don't initial in the right spots, in particular on the financial power of attorney for Colorado, you may end up with a document that doesn't work when you really need it to work for you. We're here to help you and your family, so call our office or go online to our website at skiptonlaw.com, and you can sign up for one of our free online educational workshops where I'll teach you the answers to these questions and how there might be so much more planning that can be inside of these documents than you ever thought. And if you'd like, you can also sign up for a meeting with me one-on-one via Zoom so that we can discuss your estate plan, your goals, your needs, and everything else that you want with your estate plan. So please join us for our next workshop, and I look forward to seeing you soon.